So I just saw Mello eating on this plant here. It's the snake plant. Um, and I Googled it to make sure it's okay, or because every time she put her mouth into something, I'm always curious because I don't know if it's okay or not. So I happened to Google it, but I've been getting um, mixed responses. Some one website is saying um, it's not good for birds, or it's not good for animals because it has poison in them, and they did it that the poison would kind of make their tongues swell or something. It says it's just not good for animals, including birds. But then some other websites, and I've seen some responses in one of those, yeah, the comments, one of those forums, I guess, community chat or whatever they call those things. Somebody posted the same question: if the snake plant is safe for birds to be eating. There were a couple of response. Well, not a couple. There was one response that said, although it's not good for animals, they have found that the birds are an exception. So I don't know what to think, because I'm looking at this leaf here, and it looks like Mello's been chewing on it for a long time. This spot here is her favorite, one of her favorite spots. So she's always on this. So I don't think this is the first time that she's been feeding off or chewing on the leaves, right, Mello? What do you think, Mello? Is it bad for you or what? But yeah, like I said, it's been it looks like it's been chewed for quite a long time, and it's not just today. And I haven't noticed anything different on Mello that would make me suspect that she ate something bad. So it looks like it's okay for her to just kind of have a little bit of the snake plant. But I would like to know if you could please comment down below and let me know if you've had the same experience, because I'm really curious. I mean, I wouldn't want her to be eating the snake plant if it's not safe. I think I just might put the snake plant somewhere else where she can't reach it for now, just to be sure. But yeah, like I said, I haven't noticed anything bad or any behavior from her that would indicate that she's not feeling well, or she ate something that is not good for her. So there she goes again, eating it. No, Mello. Nope. Hey. Okay, maybe I won't let her eat it for now.